Okay, now that you have the shadows done, you're going to add a couple sprigs of evergreen just for balance. So we're going to put one on each side because these corners are kind of empty, or probably should be. So I've made one already, and now I'm going to show you how to do it. So I'm going to start with the black. Okay, so that's that one over there, and then we're going to go over here and do this one. So I'm going to start with the black, and I'm going to put, I don't want them to be exactly the same, but I do want a kind of a long one here. And then maybe I'll do kind of a short one up here, and then one like this, okay? So you just put your 3 sprigs in. I can show that. And then I have a couple shades of green. So whatever you've got, a couple shades of green. If you don't have a couple shades of green, just sometimes press lighter and sometimes press darker. And you just go like this. You just kind of put pieces of fur and take your time so your angle kind of stays the same on everything. And just go right over that one and go right up to the top here. Hopefully you can see this. I think you can. And then just go right off the end of the page. Okay, and then do it on the other side. And then you do the same thing here. And you do the same thing here. And you can pause this and just kind of keep up with me if you want. You can just watch me do it or then do it yourself. Then I'm going to go with a different shade of green and do the same thing and just kind of fill in. And I'm just going to do this much for now. You can see the rest later. Okay. When I'm done, but it's my 3rd shade of green. And try to hit the white places in between with your other color. I don't know which color I've done here yet. I think I got it right. I just think I need the one that's just good old green. Okay, and then that's what it looks like. Okay, and I'll finish doing that and then show you that when I get it done. Okay, so that's done. You can kind of see, I think. And so all I want to do now is just put a little bit of color on the counter here so you can kind of see the difference. And don't choose anything dark, guys. Just choose something nice and kind of neutrally colored. But don't choose a gray because it'll just blend in with your shadows. And so I just kind of chose this beige color you can see I'm putting on over here. Okay. And I'm going to just fill all that in. And just nice and smooth and not very dark. Okay. Okay, so I colored the bottom, just barely. Okay, and then I'm going to color the wall. And again, I'm going to use something really light. I think I'll use like a light blue color. Okay, and I'm going to go just right up next to, if you guys can see what I'm doing here. Figure this out here. Right up next to these with my light color. Okay, and I'll be a little darker next to the ornaments. Okay, so I'll do that and then I'll show you how. Okay, so I have colored my background. It's pretty light because I don't want to take away from the bulbs and the greenery on there. So this is the thing all done. And this is what yours should look like when you're finished. When you're done, put your name on the back. Okay. And then if you want, your teacher can hang these up first. And if not, then go ahead and make a pile and I will pick them up. Okay. All done.